showing you how to make a Lego aeroplane, which is miniature. First, we'll take this white piece and then attach this gray slope, upside down slope onto it. Then we'll attach this non-upside down slope at the front, like that. Now we will attach these two pieces over here. Now these are four slopes, two slopes combined. You should have something like this. Now we'll take this cube and attach it right in between, and it should look one of these. Now we'll take this black slope and attach that to connect all this. Now we'll take this orange slope one more time and attach it there. Now we shall attach this flat piece there, here, and this piece here, and these two pieces here. Now we'll take this long strip and take this red dot and attach it over here. Now we'll attach the green dot at the other end. Now we'll attach this piece over here and one more of those like this over here. It should look like this. Now we'll attach this piece on the bottom of this piece over here like this. I hope you enjoyed making a small miniature Lego airplane with me. Thanks for watching, and I hope you liked the video, and bye bye.